Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Today, we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence services on AWS and giving you a complete overview. So, buckle up and get ready to take your tech knowledge to the next level. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has been making waves in the tech industry for its ability to enhance processes, automate tasks, and improve overall efficiency. And with AWS, you have access to a variety of AI services that can help you achieve these goals. The key insight we want to focus on today is the power of AWS's AI services in simplifying complex tasks. Whether you're a developer, data scientist, or business owner, these services can help you save time and resources, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, your business. Let's start with Amazon SageMaker, a fully managed service that helps you build, train, and deploy machine learning models quickly and easily. With SageMaker, you no longer have to worry about setting up complex infrastructure or managing servers. You can simply choose from a variety of popular algorithms, and SageMaker will handle the rest, including automatic model tuning and deployment. This not only saves time, but also reduces the barrier for entry into the world of machine learning. Next, we have Amazon Rekognition, a powerful deep learning-based image and video analysis service. Rekognition can automatically identify objects, people, and text in images and videos, allowing you to analyze and extract valuable information from your media. This can be especially useful for businesses looking to optimize their marketing strategies or improve their customer service. And for those of you looking to add a conversational interface to your applications, Amazon Lex is the way to go. Lex is a service for building and deploying chatbots and virtual agents that can understand natural language and interact with users in a conversational manner. With its deep learning capabilities, Lex can continuously improve its understanding and responses, making it a valuable tool for businesses looking to provide efficient and personalized customer service. But that's not all. With AWS's AI services, you also have access to Amazon Comprehend, a natural language processing service, and Amazon Polly, a text-to-speech service, among others. The possibilities are endless, and with AWS's pay-as-you-go pricing model, you only pay for what you use, making it budget-friendly for businesses of all sizes. So if you're ready to take advantage of the power of AI, head over to AWS and explore their AI services today. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Subscribe for more tech tips and tricks, and don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.